Today I am going to listen a very interesting story on Feathers of Unity, the Legend of Crow. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted Whispering Woods, there lived a magnificent creature named Crow. With shimmering feathers in all the colors of the rainbow and a voice that could enchant even the grumpiest of beings, Crow was the most popular and admired animal in the entire forest. The Whispering Woods were home to a diverse community of animals, each with its unique talents and quirks. But Crow stood out among them all. His radiant plumage and melodic songs echoed through the trees, bringing joy and harmony to the woodland residents. The forest had never seen such a dazzling and talented creature, and everyone loved Crow for his friendly nature and entertaining performances. One day, as the vibrant autumn leaves began to fall and the air carried a crisp chill, the animals gathered to celebrate the changing season. They decided to organize a grand festival in honor of Crow, recognizing his contributions to the happiness of the forest. The festival was to be a magical affair, filled with laughter, music, and the warmth of friendship. Word spread quickly, and excitement buzzed through the Whispering Woods like the gentle hum of a summer breeze. The residents of the forest worked together to prepare for the festivities, creating colorful decorations and setting up a stage for Crow to showcase his talents. Everyone was eager to see their beloved friend shine even brighter than usual. As the day of the festival arrived, the Whispering Woods transformed into a lively carnival of joy. Animals of all shapes and sizes gathered around the stage, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. In the midst of the crowd, Crow perched gracefully, his feathers glistening in the dappled sunlight. The festival kicked off with a lively dance performed by the energetic squirrels, accompanied by the rhythmic beats of the drumming raccoons. The atmosphere was electrifying, and the excitement reached its peak when Crow took center stage. The crowd hushed in awe as he spread his wings, revealing a breathtaking array of colors that seemed to dance in harmony with his every movement. Crow began to sing, his voice a mesmerizing melody that resonated through the entire forest. The animals were enchanted, swaying to the rhythm of the music. John Legend, the talented singer and actor, had lent his voice to bring Crow to life, making the animated short movie a captivating experience for everyone. As Crow's performance reached its climax, a sudden gust of wind swept through the Whispering Woods, carrying with it the first snowflakes of winter. The animals marveled at the delicate crystals that floated gently to the ground, turning the forest into a winter wonderland. The celebration continued, with the animals reveling in the magic of the season. However, as the days passed, the winter deepened, and the once joyous atmosphere in the Whispering Woods began to fade. The cold winds brought challenges that the woodland creatures had never faced before. The rivers froze, and food became scarce. The animals, once united in celebration, now faced the harsh reality of survival. Crow, with his keen sense of responsibility, observed the struggles of his friends and felt a deep pang of empathy. He realized that his dazzling plumage and enchanting songs, though delightful, couldn't alleviate the hardships the forest was facing. The Whispering Woods needed more than just entertainment, it needed a hero. Motivated by a sense of duty and inspired by the love he felt for his friends, Crow decided to take action. He gathered the animals and proposed a plan to save the forest from the grips of winter. The plan required a sacrifice that only Crow could make. With a heavy heart but unwavering determination, Crow explained that he would use his vibrant feathers to create a magical barrier that would protect the animals from the biting cold. The sacrifice was great, for Crow's feathers were not just for show, they held the key to his unique abilities and, ultimately, his identity. The animals, initially taken aback by the proposal, soon understood the magnitude of Crow's offer. They were moved by his selflessness and courage. The once vibrant and lively forest stood in silent agreement, ready to support their beloved friend in his noble endeavor. Crow, with a solemn resolve, stood at the center of the clearing. The animals gathered around, their eyes reflecting a mix of sadness and gratitude. As Crow began to pluck his iridescent feathers, a gentle hush fell over the whispering woods. The forest, once filled with the sounds of laughter and celebration, now echoed with the bittersweet melody of sacrifice. One by one, Crow's feathers fell to the ground, each carrying a piece of his essence. The air shimmered with the magic of the sacrifice, and a radiant barrier formed around the forest, protecting it from the harsh winter winds. The animals, wrapped in the warmth of Crow's sacrifice, felt a renewed sense of hope and unity. The winter passed, and as spring emerged, the whispering woods bloomed with life once again. Crow, though now adorned with simpler plumage, stood proud among his friends. The sacrifice he made had not only saved the forest, but had also strengthened the bonds of friendship among the woodland creatures. The animated short movie, titled The Legend, became a timeless tale of selflessness, friendship, and the power of sacrifice. John Legend's portrayal of Crow, both through his voice and his heartfelt performance, resonated with audiences far and wide. The Whispering Woods, now a symbol of resilience and unity, continued to thrive, reminding everyone that true legends are born not only from extraordinary talents but also from the willingness to give everything for the ones we love. And so, the legend of Crow and the Whispering Woods lived on, inspiring generations to come with its message of hope, sacrifice, and the enduring power of friendship. Hope you like the story. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Do subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. Thank you.